Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace an auger motor housing support bracket in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Lift the ice bucket up in the front and pull it out. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the mounting screws to release the auger motor housing. Pull the assembly away from the rear panel and disconnect the wire harness. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the screw to release the old support bracket, if still intact. Install the new auger motor housing support bracket by positioning it on the liner and threading the screw to secure. Reinstall the auger assembly by first connecting the wire harness. Align the assembly on the supports and replace the screws to secure. Reinstall the ice bucket. If the bucket doesn't slide all the way in, you can rotate the auger to allow the bucket to be fully seated. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.